do you size your SCR Power Controller and fusing? Let's start with sizing the SCR Power Controller. To properly size an SCR Power Controller, start by using Watt's Law to calculate the full load amps, or FLA, based on kilowatts of your load. Because Control Concepts power controllers are designed for 100% continuous duty, you don't need to add any extra safety factor to that calculation. Once you've got your full load amps, simply round up to the next nominal amp size available from CCI for Atom, MicroFUSION, or Fusion power controllers. Next, to stay compliant with UL, CE, and 100 kA short circuit current rating SCCR standards, you'll also need to install branch-rated fusing upstream of the SCR controller. To properly size fusing, select the available fuse size that is at least 125% of your full load amps. Alternatively, you can use 125% of the SCR's frame rating. Finally, make sure those fuses are properly rated to protect both line and load conductors in your power control system. For your convenience, there is a table of recommended fuse sizes in the manual of your Control Concepts power controller.